So this is the brand new Canon R50 V, which is their brand new APS-C vlogging style camera. It's a handheld camera. It's a 24.2 megapixel camera that has 15 frames per second continuous shooting capabilities. It's compact, it's light, they boast that it's super intuitive, and I'm so excited to try it out. So today we're doing an unboxing video. We are unboxing the Canon R50 V. This camera is brand new. It just dropped on the market where you are able to go and purchase one now, but there are a lot of people who haven't been able to get their hands on it, and so I am excited that I got my hands on one. I'm excited to open it up and let you guys see what it does, how good it is, if you're gonna enjoy it or not. Okay, let's get to the actual unboxing, shall we? Okay, here we go. Open up the box. We got a manual, which everybody keeps. What's this? What else we got? We got another manual. Something about, oh, this one's actually important. Camera Connect. This is a great feature Canon has. You can actually connect your phone to your camera and see all your images instantly. It's actually amazing. So this Canon R50 V is an APS-C camera, which basically means it's not full frame. It's a little bit smaller. So if you're vlogging, taking videos, it basically means that it is not getting a fuller view as a full frame would. But there's actually its benefits to that as well. The nice thing is it uses this LPE17 battery, which I shoot with the Canon R8, and so I actually have a bunch of these, so I don't have to buy backup batteries. I came with backup batteries, so that's amazing. For the Canon R8, this battery is actually not the best, but for the Canon R50, a smaller body, it actually should be pretty good for longevity, so I'm excited about that. It comes with its own charger, so nice. I got a few of these now. It's awesome. Y'all ready for this? Dun 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 dun. Ooh, oh, a strap! A strap! It's like a rite of passage. Look, I have a Canyon lanyard. Look at that, look at that. Look good on me? No? I don't wear those. If you're a real photographer, you don't need those because it's always in your hand, you know what I'm saying? Or maybe you have like the belt strap one, which I want one of those. I think those would be pretty cool. Oh, here we go! So, okay, before we actually get into the meat, the Canon R50 V, which stands for video, is actually supposed to be their kind of like small like vlogging camera. A lot of people have been comparing it to the ZV-E10, the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II, which is a great little APS-C vlogging camera for like social media content, online content. And so Canon came out with this. Now, listen, Canon, this is not the break your budget, crazy, kind of camera. I live in Canada. This one runs about $1,200 Canadian. But here's the thing. Right out of the box, it's actually not that bad. It comes with its own lens, a nice wide lens, 15 to 30 millimeter, I believe, which is a nice wide angle lens. It's great for vlogging and stuff like that. And then when you're talking about the actual body, we're talking about a lot of cool stuff packed into this one little body that makes it light for you to carry around as you stroll about and record your life for decades to come and then look back at it and go, wow, what was I doing with my life? All right, let's get into it. Okay. So this is an APS-C lens. So this lens is, this lens is 14 millimeter to 30 millimeter. Actually, if you notice there, it has a little bit of a toggle. It's actually digital. Basically, I'm not like any sort of expert. I'm just your average consumer. But zoom lenses, you typically are turning a dial to zoom in and out. This is digital, so you see the W and the T there. What you're doing is you just kind of hold it, and I imagine it zooms in and out as you just kind of hold it and go, which again, if you know you're just an average consumer, that makes it so much easier. Also, it's an APS-C lens, which means it's smaller. I have this for my full frame camera, and let me just be real, that thing is this is chunky. The aperture for this is f4 to f6.3, I believe. What does it say on the box? Yeah, f4, 6.3, IS, STM, so stepping motor, image stabilization, which is important because the body that we're about to get doesn't come with IBIS, doesn't come with in-body built-in stabilization, which helps for content creators. But here's the thing, when you get then a lens that does have image stabilization, to some degree that helps, and we're going to talk about it, but the body does come with some level of stabilization, so don't go anywhere yet. Honestly, I love opening new tech gear. We should just turn this whole page to Ruben Opens Tech Gear. If you're down for that in the chat, put it in the comment right now. Ruben Opens Tech Gear, let's do that. I imagine Canon was just like, we need something great for content creators, not someone who's like, I need my full frame DSLR, I need my R5C, or I need my, ZV-E1 or whatever. For the average person, like myself, that's like, hey, I want a good camera that is simple to shoot, but will give me good quality stuff as well. Drum roll, please. Here it is. Here it is. I feel like it's Christmas morning. Oh, I took a peek. Guys, oh my gosh. Put that screen where it's bleep. You can't see anything. Bleep. Oh my gosh, guys. I love it. Oh man. Guys, take a look. Oh yes. Easy. Oh, clean look. Nice and smooth. Screen looks big. It's really light too. Now, why do I need this box? All right. I hope something important was not in there. Okay. Okay, so a few things. Initial thoughts, it's really light. Really light. Like I could hold it up with like a finger is what it feels like. It's like super light. The grip here on the right-hand side doesn't feel that secure like I'm used to with some of my bigger cameras, but I actually tried the ZV-E10 Mark II, and I would say this is a notch up from there because it actually gives me some level of, kind of grip. Now, most of the time what you're doing is you're putting this on, a little tripod. So, yeah, you don't really need this to be great grip, but, you've got that. There's another tripod stand? What? Oh my, yeah, they oh, look. So they have the tripod, mount for the bottom where you can put your tripod in, and they have one on the side of the camera. You know why they put that, right? They're like, these days everybody's recording for social media, for TikTok. That's amazing. To be honest, I haven't seen another camera in this kind of like price range do that. I think that's amazing. So like you can basically record your TikToks, your shorts, your reels this way if you wanted to, if that's kind of what you do. Or you can just vlog for the day. Enjoy your vlog, enjoy whatever. A few other thoughts. They have a record button at the front here, as you can see, which I'm assuming lights up when you're recording. So that way, in case you're like recording yourself, but you don't want the screen for whatever reason, you can see that you're recording, or like say if you start recording with the screen out this way, right? But you don't want to see yourself, you don't want to be looking at yourself, you kind of close the screen here, at least you can see the red button is still on and you're recording, I will say the buttons are a little bit overwhelming. On and off switch is pretty simple. Oh, I like the way that feels. I like the way the record button feels, pretty simple. You can control your zoom actually from here as well. Control your zoom from there, right? Now, I'm pretty sure that Canon would have integrated this lens with this body so that way you don't actually have to digitally move it here, you can actually do it straight up on the button right there, which makes this camera even easier to use. It feels sturdy. It doesn't feel like, you know, cheaply made. I will say that. I will appreciate the build. It doesn't feel cheap, which after paying $1,200, you hope it doesn't feel cheap, right? Battery and card slot at the bottom, as you can see pretty clearly. Let's put the battery in there real quick. Fits like a glove. And you guys with me for this? Let's turn on together. Let's turn on together. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I wish there was noise. Canon, can you add noise to it? It would make my experience more enjoyable the next time. All right. What is it asking me? It's telling me to just kind of choose. Can you read that? It's telling me to choose a language. So, not Dutch, English. Set the date. I will do that later. Not wasting time with that. All right, let's get this set up. I actually want to see what this looks like. I am so eager to see it. So we're gonna connect the lens to the body. Here we go. Let's put this together. Beautiful. Guys, oh, you know what? Give me a second. I can show you this footage. I gotta go get my SD card. Okay, I'm back. Oh, I'm so not used to digital zoom. So here we go. You're seeing my setup here. Hello. Wow, that's actually pretty good quality. Wow. That is something. Now, I'm on A mode. I don't know what A mode is. I'm assuming that's aperture. Okay, so let me show you this real quick, okay? I'm just gonna record this for you real quick. So that looks pretty good. I'm actually really impressed with the quality of this. Wow, that's crazy. Check, audio, 1, 2, 3. Now the nice thing about Canon cameras is that they have great autofocus. This is insane. I'm pretty excited about this. I'm excited at the quality of this image. Like, sure, it's APS-C. Sure, you know what? Like the zoom, I can control it right here as well. Awesome. And you know what? Like, I might get more out of my full frame, but this is way lighter, way easier to travel with, you know? And like, in my opinion, so good. So good. Okay, so we do have a little side panel here, as you can see, for HDMI ports, for your audio ports. I'm using it as a webcam for the HDMI out. I'm sure you can use that. It has a multifunction shoot, which in the future, when they upgrade their Canon hot shoe mics, which Canon, please upgrade your hot shoe mics. When Canon upgrades their hot shoe mics, it's going to be perfect to fit in right here to go along with their Canon R50 V, their Canon whatever hot shoe mic. Hopefully they make one size relative, so it's not massive. I'm gonna use this camera over the next little bit, and I'll probably post up a video of some kind, you know, just sharing my thoughts after using it for a while, you know, if it's intuitive, what I, you know, like about it, what I don't like about it. So follow, subscribe for more content like this. If you like opening tech stuff, follow so we can, you know, get the missus to, you know, fund the tech budget. All right, bye. My wife's gonna kill me. Dora, if you're watching this, I promise I will pay this off. I will get another job. Yeah, I will. I can sell things, you know what I mean? Like I'll sell my PlayStation. Yeah, let me keep this, please. Let me keep this.